Hello, Rex here with my pool filler and the hide hose with a quick demonstration on how you can shorten your hose to the exact length. So first thing to note about these hoses is they are locked in when you get them shipped to you, and they do have a small retainer here that's holding it in place. Now when it comes time to shorten the hose, you're going to want to remove one of the ends. So with one hand you can press in on the hose, the other end hold down on that retainer and slide the hose out. Now let's say you've already measured your hose, you know the exact length you want, you need to shorten it by a couple inches, you've got it marked off there. Now for us here at my pool filler, we grab our nice pair of shears and we would cut to that exact length. And then the hose end is going to be able to pop right back in, and you'll feel it slide into place. It doesn't come out anymore. I'm going to go ahead and remove it again. Now let's say you're just working with a pair of scissors. So you're going to take this, cut off the amount that you want gone, and now your hose is a little bit oblique. So you're going to want to just circle that out. You can just normally pinch it if you had to. Get a pair of pliers, straighten it out, and then it's ready to take the connector back. Again, you'll feel it slide in, connect into place, and then it's not going anywhere. Thanks for shopping with my pool filler.